Hello, we're going to do a little walk around demonstration video on this new 22 Toyota Sienna Hybrid. This is the beautiful ruby red pearl exterior paint, available now on the new hybrids. This vehicle was converted by VMI. It's actually one of the first all-wheel drive accessible minivans on the market. This is made possible by the two electric motors front and rear because this is a hybrid. So we'll go over more of that. And then this does have the Park Smart feature on the side skirts here. So if somebody's parked next to you and you have Park Smart turned on, it'll gently remind them that this is a wheelchair accessible vehicle and you need extra space. So the way this conversion works is we have the vehicle unlocked, and then we give a good press and hold on that side door button there. That way you don't accidentally hit it. So you actually do have to press and hold on it. Give it about a 3-second press. Vehicle door opens and the ramp comes out. This vehicle also does have a kneeling feature on it. So you'll see that the rear shock on this side is being lowered. That reduces the ramp angle to about 9 degrees. So very convenient for manual and power chair users. Inside this has VMI's new black rubberized flooring with the lighting kit with several lights inside here. This step up helps you get up into the seat, but also this is a cover up of the battery systems that are in here. So that's why that is that shape there. This does have two removable front seats, open mid-row area with lockdown positions wherever these L tracks are. And then of course 3 seats across the back here. Go and get it turned on. There used to be a big sweeping console in here on the original Toyota. They obviously had to remove that, so VMI cut that off, put this nice cap on with the VMI button. This VMI button is nice, and that's why I use it a lot. When you press it, it gives us feedback. So green means everything is good, but when it's flashing, that means it's either finishing opening or closing. So you won't be able to drive away until that ramp and the kneel system are back. It's because you do have an interlock system in here. So as a safety feature on these converted minivans, they have that. If the vehicle is ever not able to use that system, we do have a sure deploy system here where you can press that down and then that turns on sure deploy mode, and you can control the ramp to come in and out using a marine style battery that's next to the conversion computer that sits underneath the seat. We also do have a handle here to crank out the ramp as a second backup if you ever got to that. This does have all the new Toyota safety features like a camera behind the mirror here. It does your advanced pre-collision warning, lane departure warning, and it helps with your radar cruise control. And then you can see how the battery and engine and motors are depicted here. So the electric motor and the gas engine up front here control the front wheels, and then the electric motor in the rear. So those wires running through the floor is how this is able to make this be an accessible wheelchair conversion. This door has been lowered even on this side, so some conversions don't take that extra step, but VMI has fully lowered the floor so that way you have all that usable room in there. We do still have quite a bit of trunk room back here as well. And then the car battery is accessed underneath here. And then all these vehicles come with a set of manual wheelchair restraints and a seat belt. This one also does have the alloy wheels on there. They're a nice light gray color. So overall, beautiful car, brand new, at our best price of the year. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if this will work for you.